How to enable auto-fire weapon in Farlight 84. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are playing Farlight 84 and want to enable auto-fire for your weapons, then you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the Farlight 84 on your Android device or your iOS device and wait for the game to load. Once it loads from the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will take you to this section where you can go ahead and find this weapon option on the top. Inside weapon, you'll see auto fire weapons option. Simply go ahead and toggle the button and keep it to enabled and make sure that the enabled is selected. Once you do that, you will be able to turn on auto fire weapons option. This controls whether the game automatically fires when your crosshair is on an enemy. So once you do this, you can start a match and aim your crosshair at an opponent to see how auto fire works. And that's it! You've successfully enabled auto fire in Farlight 84. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.